Hi, good evening. Hello world, this is Danny. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Danny Kabuhat. Please share and like and watch too. I just want to let you know that I'm in San Diego and I'm here at Fashion Valley Mall. This is how I started 31 years ago on a cart, and I'm going to let you watch it too if you are interested. Hopefully you find something interesting. Come on, go, let's go. Yeah, I just delivered something from a customer, and I'm 1.5 hours away from Tustin Marketplace where my store is. Again, this is Bloomingdale's right here. This is how I started my business 31 years ago on a cart. I'm alone. I'm just by me. Oh, Forever 21 is still here. See? Forever 21. I thought they're bankrupt. Yeah, I thought they closed all their stores. Probably this one survived due to reorganization. But look, this is the best mall in San Diego. See? Right here. I wanna show you. Hopefully the security guard will not give me a hard time. But this is the best mall in San Diego. See, it's 9 o'clock now, so probably the malls are closed. But normally they stay late. Yeah, normally there's a lot more people. The rich people in San Diego County shop here. So bear with me. Need to shorten my selfie stick. Look, look, look. Very nice mall. Omega. This is a watch. Rolex. See? Rich people. This is how I started 31 years ago. February 1991. Armani. Wow. The stores, a lot of stores are closed now. But I delivered something near this mall tonight. So I just stopped by and check it out. Wow, look at this. This is a very Apple store right there. Big John Barbados. Oh, this is the mall totally changed now. Versace. Wow. Coast. The Apple store. They're closed now. Cartier, man. This is something. Louis Vuitton. Dude. Last time when I was here, there's no Louis Vuitton. Prada. Oh, Banana Republic is still here. Huh? This is the Christmas decoration. Prada. It totally changed now. Gucci. Hey. This is me right here. This is how the thing started right here in the middle of the mall. Right here. Oh, they have Tesla too. Jesus. See, this is what I have 31 years ago right here. Right there. Look, it's too small store. Do you believe me? I started on this cart right there. Right there. Right there. Now my store is 100 times bigger than that. See, look. Tesla, they sell cars here too. Oh no, turn the lights off. See, kill, boss. Oh man, the mall totally changed now. See, this is the car right here. This is how I started. I can't imagine that. Right there. Michael Kors. Okay, now it's coming to the exact location where I started my business on a cart. Look, Chico's, Tommy Bahama. Look, right there. Oh, Malimbe. See, it's selling from Mount Kang. The mall is closed now. See, the escalator. Oh, the escalator is still there. See, that's the marker. Escalator. See, Macy's right there. Macy's, and this is the start. See that escalator right there. Now, this is exactly where I started, right here. This is the place. 31 years ago. On a cart, right here. This location. Exactly this place. It's a long ways now. Right here. I'm standing right here. The mall really changed a lot now. Urban Outfitters. There's a second level now. Right there. We're going to the second level later. Urban Outfitters. 85% of the businesses 31 years ago don't don't exist at all. They're either bankrupt or totally dissolved. See, look, there's a lot of carts now. If you have a very particular idea, products that you can sell, you might sell, and you will be able to produce. They will give you a chance. See, Q, Gap, it's been there for a long time. Gap, Sis Candy, it's been a while, long time. Zara too, Zara. It's all over the world. This is a worldwide company. Very stable. Right here. Foot Locker is still. This is Foot Locker is in and out of bankruptcy. Hopefully they survive. Yeah. Zara. Cotton On. Cotton On is an Australian company. Yeah, they're very nice. Hopefully they survive. See, look at the stores they have. Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Emirates, Germany. So this is a worldwide company. Cotton On. Vans, JCPenney. Yeah, hopefully they survive too. Yeah. Typo, that's been there for a while. I remember when I have a cart here. Or no, it's store now. When I came back, I have a store. Yeah. So, yeah. the framing. See, Hollister, that's a good company too. Oh, GNC is still there. See, GNC. And then there's a future T. What's that? Can I see it? Yeah, right there. Tea. They will sell tea here soon. Hopefully they will open and they will survive. Yeah, but food normally survives very, very easily because you will buy food once a week or once a month or 10 times a year. But about the frame and arch, you buy only once every 10, 20, 30, 50 years. So my business really suffers. But because of the uniqueness of what I do, I still survive. Hopefully, I will survive another 30 years. We'll see what happens. Okay, it's 12 minutes now. Pink, brown. Oh, that's a different one. It's floating. Origins has been a while too. I know them. Yeah. When I open my store, right here. This is that's a glass. Lids too. This is a big hat. They sell only hat, but custom made hat. It's very expensive though, but it's very high quality. Now, pointing. See? That's the escalator right there. Escalator. That is my car right there. 31 years ago, February 1991. I'm very, very proud. Swarovski, oh, that's a good one too. Breitling, that's a big company. Macy's, again, this is the second level of Macy's. Yeah. Hopefully they survive, but they're really in trouble. Their main office in New York, the main building, how they started, where they started, the Macy's. They shut that down, actually. The Macy's location in downtown New York. See, every year on every first day of the year, they have the Macy's parade. Hopefully they survive because they are a big, good company. This is one of the best mall that you will see. Oh, look, they sell only socks. Sock too here. All socks right here. Whoa, this is a new store. California Sock Company. Hopefully this will survive. Look, they sell only socks. Wow, there should be 1 million socks here. Look at that. Please patronize this company so that it will survive. Dr. Martin, this is a good shoes. Wow. This is nice shoes. Dr. Martin, look at this. They're cleaning it. Wow. These are very nice shoes. San Diego. That's been a while there. I know that San Diego. Guess, that's an iconic business. Sports Treasure. I know them for a while. No, they only sell. I know them for so long. Wow, they still survive. I know them. San Diego, Cynthia and Claire. Look, this is a clothing store for children or wedding. Wow, this is very neat. Scotch and soda. Wow. This is very unique store too. Scotch and soda. Art and Frame Gallery. Wow. Scotch and soda. That's British company based on the name and based on the products. See, there's a lot of iconic companies that didn't survive either. I know for sure that's a very, very anthropology, Very, very good company, but they close. Victoria's Secret, look. Victoria's Secret. They close a lot of their locations. Half of their locations probably they already closed. You know why they closed? Through reorganization. And then their products is sellable on the internet too. Locally, hopefully they will survive. Haagen-Dazs. This is the movie theater. Right here, AMC. This is where we watch movies when we have free time. Lululemon Athletica. Oh, this is a $1 billion company. This one too. They sell only, last time they started selling, what you call this? A stretcher for women, for exercise. The stretch leggings 20-30 years ago. And they become worldwide. They become a $1 billion company. And only idea, they made a unique products like leggings that is very, very comfy, and it absorbs the sweat when you exercise. So as long as you have a unique product here in America, it will survive as long as, and then at the same time you need to improve it along the way. You need to improve it, adjust. Change will change you if you don't go with the change. The changing of the customer base, and the changing of the products, and the changing of the taste of the people, because remember, we're all gonna die, so the taste will change. And you know, my children, they don't even wanna wear the clothes that I like them to wear, but I buy only the best one for them, because right now I can afford some good clothes. But once you buy them the same clothes that I want to wear for them, they will not wear that, and you feel bad. So you just give them money. Give them money and let them buy whatever they want. But on one condition though. Look, Forever 21. I was surprised they're still alive. Right here, they filed for bankruptcy. Forever 21. They're bankrupt. They closed 90% over their store, or 95%. Right there, Forever 21. Express, they survived too. Hopefully they will survive longer. Bloomingdale's. Oh, this company is subject to bankruptcy too. Hopefully I am wrong. So, but according to the news, they're bankrupt too. They're closing their store in Costa Mesa. Hopefully this store survives. Bloomingdale's right here. This is the best place to shop in San Diego. Okay, I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.